I'm an honorary president of the Latin O'Reilly Club. I started in 1945 and I played maybe for the most of 20 years. Now the proudest moment was winning the junior championship. It was 1954, first championship that ever Latin O'Reilly's won. So it was a very proud time. And I won them few medals in between, and in 1966 I quit playing altogether then. I was 40 years of age at that time, 1966. So I quit playing then, and I had the job as chairman of the club from 1961. I was the chairman of me playing from 1961 to 1986. That was 25 years as chairman of the club. And so it was left to the youngsters to run the club, and they are fairly running it now. They won the championship, the senior championship in the 2005, 2008 and 2011. They've won the senior championship. They're going well, and I'm very glad to see that. This special award, I think it's a great honour. I think it is now. I'm 86 coming, so I never miss a match. There is people wondering how that fella's come to these games and the interest he's taken. I don't know, it's just in my blood. Yeah.